So let's look at the different type of LLMs. There's a Llama 3. That's the best one. My favorite so far. There's Hermes, Neo, Mistral Instruct, ChatGPT, ChatGPT 4, just 4.0 now. Mistral Tiny, Winnie's API, it record everything, API key. Mistral Open Orca. This one is at least 8 gigs of RAM. Hermes, this is a new Microsoft Tiny one, the Phi. If you look at C here, it's only like 2 gigs. Use 4 gigs of RAM. It has 4 billion parameters, so let's give it a download. Alright, I'm gonna using Mini Orca. The database model is really tiny. It's like 2 gigs, eats 4 RAM, and it can only spit out like 1 paragraph. It's really tiny. So overall, do I like it? No, not really, but it's something. It could do like simple answer questions, like one liners or like one paragraph. All right, let's try something else. So Mini Phi is really fast on loading, but it's also really short, right? Me a Python program for bubbles. But it gives indents too, so it's better than Orca. And it gives an example. Oh, not bad. So it's pretty cool. Oh, there's an error. The swap. No, they're looking. No. Oh man, I got debugged. So that was a fail. GPU broken. Line 9. Let's see if we can debug. Errors right here. Is that it? No, it should not be our fears. Should be. Oh, there we go. That was it. I fixed the bug myself. Because it like this equals that, and I don't know why I put the fears right there. It's kind of weird. Anyways, the code works like that. I fixed my own bug. So I'm a pretty good coder myself. It sorted it 11 and 12. That's pretty amazing. Um, let's see if it gives me a Fibonacci sequence. Okay, let's try this one and see if it works at Fibonacci. Oh, it works. That's amazing. Wow, this code works. It's pretty good. I'm gonna whip you up a really quick resume. You have to like spend your time doing that now, which are pain in the butt. There we go. So yeah, this is Phi-3 mini. It's pretty good. It's not bad. It can code. And it's really small too. It's only 2 gigs. It's pretty impressive. And it's really fast. And it can write rap song too. This is not bad. It's pretty good. Well, the lyrics are really dope. I dig it. I dig this. That's pretty cool. Right me. A minor. Oh wow, I did it. That's impressive. E minor, C minor, D minor. This works out. Not bad. He's a bluesy feel. That's really, really good. Not bad, not bad. What else can I do? I'm impressed. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace. Alright, let's use Llama 3. See how much better it is. Oh, this is a bit longer. It gives indents too, so this one's working really well. And it gives explanation. Okay. Let's see if this works or not. Okay. Sure. Oh, there's a whole shebang. Run it. Oh, the sorts. This is good. Llama 3.